Hi everyone. Today, my name is Vanessa. Today I'm driving the and today I'm going to show you I'm driving the S10 DOT S10 pickup truck, and another way. It's same, but it says. Let me see what this place says. It says the first state of Delaware, right there. The first state of Delaware. 82 24 15 12. The first state of Delaware. This is an S10 pickup truck. The speed goes to 90 miles per hour. Don't mind the song is playing. It's Steve's Impossible by DeLuca. I love that song. It's my favorite song. And I got this laptop for my birthday last week ago because it's really new, but it's really expensive. So next video we're gonna show you how it's gonna be a cop next later. So today I'm their sister Vanessa, but my sisters didn't know because they're home. Because after I took them on the trip to South Beach, that was fun. But this later, and today I had Vanessa today, and I look happy because I look like a sisters. You knew it all, grin. So today, it's like, so today, I'm playing with my driving with the violence. But today because I'm a highway worker. Means D-O-T. The possible night. So today, I'm driving a S10 pickup truck, DOT S10 pickup truck. So it's pretty cool. The next video I'm going to show you I had to get a police camera on. I got a police camera on the police force, so it says right there, police. But that's in the next video. Alright, I'll see you soon guys. Bye now.